Oof. We got people in here? No, we don't even have anybody in here. What the heck's going on? Brett. The lag, though. What the hell? Let me see. Is that me? Let's type in arena. Oops. Give me 1 second. Arena. Let me see. Oh, it says I'm on Wi-Fi. Yeah, okay. Damn, I thought I fixed that before I started the stream. Okay. Ooh. Oh, maybe I can learn something here. Let me try. Might be you? Nah, I doubt it. This is a fitting match. Oh, shit. Ooh. 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 Okay, I'm definitely learning things here. That's clever. Come on, that was direct hit, bro. I know somebody saw that. Man, it should have been like that, to be honest. Vergazo. This lag is so bad. All right. Oh, and he goes down, bro. He goes down. Oh, did not mean to. That's hilarious. Damn, son. All right, one more match. If nobody joins, it's all good. It's probably my Wi-Fi. Usually I have it connected to my LAN thing, but I guess for some reason it's not connected to it. One more match, and then I'll switch over to Mario Kart, I think, because it wouldn't be any fun having pretty much an empty lobby. Deformed Life SP. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate you, my guy. Ricky, thanks. Or Risky, I should say. Thank you. Ooh. Big versus big. That's fine. That's not fine. Ugh. Vergazo right there, bro. I got one of those too. Oh. Nice. Ugh. Shit, boy. What? Uh-oh. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. Yeah, no. That was some risky. That's a risky plan right there. What? I was like 3 miles away. Ugh. Oh, okay, okay. I blame myself for that one. Whew. Huh. Oof, that's on me. Ooh, beautiful. Let me get one more, man. Let me get one more before I switch over to land. The lag stopped for some reason. Let's go. Oh, I enjoyed that a lot, bro. We got one person in here by the name of K Peep. I guess we can keep it running. Like, I mean, why not, right? What do you say? Good game. That was a very close match. Yeah, bro. Cave Peep. All right, screw it. Let's go. Oh, Min Min. Oh,
3, 2, 1.
this is nasty. Oof. Very good. Oof. Okay. Thanks for liking the stream. Appreciate it, buddy. Oh, if only that Vargasso would have hit. That one sure did. Oh, ooh, that was kind of interesting. Oh, just over her head though, bro. Huh. Ooh, okay. Ugh. Oh, 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 oh. Ooh. Game over, bro. Game over. Yes. Yes. What's up, Battle Angel? Oh, that was tough, man. God damn, bro. Jesus Christ. All right, Cave Peep. Hey, bro, good game, man. ID? Just type in arena. You should get the ID. Type in !arena. Yeah, of course you can join in. The arena's open. I finally did the chat box thing, so. No, none of that, bro. Come on, I'm King K. Rool. What are you thinking? Uh-oh, that might... Ooh, that definitely spells trouble. Yeah, hey! Mm.